Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to get Taylor Swift in Infinite Craft. So by the end of this video, you'll learn how to do them. Without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing that we need to do is to combine wind and fire to create smoke, then combine it with water to create a fog, then combine earth and wind to create dust, then combine it with earth to create planet, then combine planet and fog to create Venus. After that, combine it with fog to create love. Now combine water and fire to create a steam, and then combine it with Venus to create life. After that, combine it with smoke to create a vampire, and then combine life and vampire to create death. Now combine it with love to create heartbreak. Now combine 2 water to create a lake, then combine 2 lake to create an ocean. Now combine ocean with earth to create an island, then combine the island with earth to create continent. Now combine continent with death to create America, then combine steam and earth to create the mud, then combine it with Venus to create Adam. Now mix Adam with earth to create man, and then combine 2 man to create a village. Combine 2 mud to create a clay, then combine 2 clay to create a brick, then combine 2 brick to create a wall. Combine village and wall to create a castle, then combine man and castle to create a king, then combine king and castle to create a queen, then combine America plus queen to create American queen. After that, combine American queen with American queen to create American king, then combine it with American queen to create American prince. Now combine it with love to create American princess. Then finally, combine American princess and heartbreak to create Taylor Swift. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.